Hi family, welcome back to another episode of Decorate My Dream Home. In the previous episodes, we finally designed and revealed the living room. However, only parts of the living room was revealed. And I told you all that I had a special surprise for you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you that surprise. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. So make sure to watch till the end. For those of you who are new here, my name is Mercy. I'm a RN BSN. And on this channel, I talk about nursing, lifestyle, beauty. I do a little bit of vlogging. I talk about feminine hygiene. I also teach about natural hair. And I just do a little bit of everything. So if you would like to join the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And also make sure to hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. With that said, family, let's get into the video. So in the last few videos, I finally decorated the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. However, there was a wall in the living room that was really tricky to design, so I decided to get a beautiful cabinet, and that is where we left off last time. So in today's video, we are finally going to be designing that cabinet, and I'm also going to be showing you the final reveal and other DIY projects that I've done so far. All right, family, so this is our shelf or bookshelf. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. I call it bookshelf. I hunted this thing down everywhere, and let me take the lather off. I hunted this thing down everywhere, and I finally got the perfect size, perfect everything. It's so beautiful, so tall. Oh my God, the details on this, so pretty. It has 2 doors. Oh man, this is so nice. So I'm about to dress this up, okay? We're about to dress this and see how it complements the black wall. See that? And these are all the vases. I had to buy some of these things, but then a lot of the vases I did myself. That's a magnet. A lot of the vases I DIY'd myself, and this is what they look like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dress this up, and it's gonna look so amazing. First thing first, let's head on over to the Goodwill again. Y'all know that I love a good thrift shopping day, and today is no different. All right, family, so here we are at the thrift store. I am actually here to find other pieces for the cabinet, but I also made a really good friend, so just keep on watching. Back at the thrift store, looking for side tables. Oh, this is cool. This is a candle stand. It's pretty cool. Nice and tall, but they have some pretty cool stuff here. So looking for side tables. I have a whole bunch here, different kinds. That one's kind of neat. That one's really nice. I like that. I wish it was 2 of those. This one's kind of nice too. This is a set, but those are big, and they're only $25 each. Pretty heavy. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, they're nice and clean. This is real wood, and it's very heavy. I think I really like these actually. I like these a lot. Oh, look at this cool credenza or whatever that is. That is really cool. Some dressers. Yeah, we're gonna find something. We're gonna find something to DIY. All right, let's come over here. I'm gonna grab me a cart. I'll be right back. I always say I'm not gonna buy anything, and then I end up needing a cart. So I'll grab one. All right, family, let's get some DIYs going. So last time when I did the living room design video, I told you all that I had a special story about these 2 side tables. Let me tell you how we got here. This is a DIY project that I did myself. As you all know, I'm going for the neutral, natural, wood tone, and just natural tone look for the entire house. but I also want to incorporate some personal pieces that I can tell a story about. And these two side tables are just that. So these tables were very nice. I like the design, I like the shape of it, the height and everything. The only thing I didn't like was the color. It is a nice wood piece. However, the color of the wood is a little bit on the orange side, but I'm going for a more natural brownish color for all of my wood furnitures. So I had the idea to paint it myself. So once again, I headed on over to the paint store. This is Home Depot, by the way. When I say the paint store, I'm either talking about Home Depot or Lowe's, just in case you all are curious. Alright family, so here we are back at the house. Let's go ahead and flip these side tables. This is the paint that I got. This has the primer, it has everything in it. I made sure to ask the guy at the store and he told me all I needed to do was clean the furniture and paint it. Alright family, this is the rest of our vases and this is our table. The fact that I'm able to tell a story that I actually created these myself. I am so happy to be able to put some personal touches on every single thing in my home. So this is how they turned out. Alright family, so let us finally get to the cabinet design. This part was so satisfying and so joyful for me to do. I just cannot wait to share this with you all. Majority of the vases and other pieces in here actually came from the thrift store. This thing, I'm still so in love with it. I'm so sorry I had you guys waiting for the next video, but I just wanted to make this as detailed as possible because I put a lot of work into getting all of the special pieces to go in here. The one thing I like about this cabinet is the total design. As you can see here, it still has that natural wood tone on the inside, but the outside was painted black by the company themselves. So it's professionally done. This is not a DIY project at all. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I think it actually looks better in person. I promise you. The other thing I like about it is the black accent. I have a lot of black accents going on, and this was the perfect piece to bring that all together, okay? So this first piece is actually from Ross. This piece was $24.99. The reason I got this is because I actually like the distressed look on it. I like the handle. I like the overall shape of it, and it's pretty big as well. The second piece here is this flower. This flower is super cute. It brings not only some greenery to the cabinet, but it also has some color, a little bit of color. Nothing crazy, but a little bit of color. This one actually came from Marshall's, and that was, I think, $20. Let's move on to our next piece. This piece I am so proud of because this was one of my personal pieces. This one was one of the thrifted pieces. I love the shape. I love the size. I liked everything about it except the color. It was clear glass, and as you can see, I'm going for an all white theme. So this was one of the ones that I painted. Alright, so the next few pieces here are candle holders. These were actually thrifted as well. One is taller than the other to give it some height and some dimension. So this is a candle that I got from at home. So I went ahead and displayed it over one of the candle stands. The other one is going to stay empty. All right, this is one of our thrifted pieces. I love the shape. I love the size. I did go ahead and go with different shapes and sizes because it looks better on the eyes. I don't know how to explain it. All right, family, this is one of our thrifted pieces as well. I don't know what to call this. I don't even know what it is, but it just looked so pretty and it came as a pair. All right, family, this is one of our thrifted pieces. I love, love, love this one. This was actually a red vase. Again, I'm going for white, so I did go ahead and paint it white. I love the differentness of, of this piece. It just, I don't know. I'm going to talk about all of this stuff a lot. So let me just keep going on, all right? So this next piece, I think you remember from the video, this was actually a mirrored piece. It looked old and beat up. It looked like broken mirrors on the vase. Again, I did go ahead and paint it white and it looks absolutely beautiful. So this is the second piece of that candle holder or design piece that I told you about. I don't know what it is, but it looks really good in here and I went ahead and got it. All right, family, so moving on to our next piece, I'm just trying to bring back some life into this cabinet area. So I did go ahead and grab this piece from Ross. All right, family, so moving on to another DIY piece. This was also a clear glass. I did go ahead and put some details. I don't know if you can see it, but I did do some scratches here and there just to give it that distressed look. This was also $5.99, I believe. All right, family, so this piece, if you're an OG, you probably remember this. This was also DIY'd by me. However, I got the actual vase from Home Goods. When I originally had it, it was silver. This was actually a DIY I did a while back in my, I think the house before this house. All right, family, these are the last two pieces. I actually got these from the thrift store as well, but it was wood. It had like an old wood tone to it. So I went ahead and made it white. And look at this, y'all. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my God. I can just stand here and look at this all day and I feel good. I feel good about myself. All right, so I just went ahead and backed the camera up so you can see the full view. I have one more thing to put up here and that will be it, y'all. This was a black planter that I also got from the thrift store. The plant I actually got from at home, so that was not thrifted, but the planter was thrifted. I wanted a little gold accent because if you do look around the house, another one of the accents that I have is gold. And you'll see a lot of gold pieces all over the house. If it was black, it would have blended in with the cabinet, and I didn't want that. I wanted it to stand out. So I put my planter in there, set it on top of it, again to bring some greenery and some life back into the living room, and voila, this is beautiful. I am so pleased with this, y'all. I am 100% pleased. This view, family, is not doing this justice. You have to see it in person. You guys just might have to come over and see this in person to really see what I'm talking about. This has become my favorite part of the living room. It's so gorgeous and it's so nice. So the next video is going to be the fireplace area and the other side of the living room where I have the two chairs. You don't want to miss that. I'm going to be doing some DIYs there as well, and I'm going to walk you through the whole process of how I turn this wall black. And I'm also going to be designing the whole fireplace area as well. And then I'm going to finally show you the final result of the living room. If you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and also click the bell notification so you don't miss these videos. Also, make sure to leave a comment below. Comment anything. Comment your favorite part of the video. Comment your favorite vase. Comment your favorite part of the living room. Just comment something below just so I know that I'm not talking to myself and just so I know that you all love these kind of content, all right? I am so excited to bring you all the next video. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.